Today's lesson is Module 3, Lesson 14, Ordered Pairs. Um, Instead of doing a bunch of examples on this one, I will be just giving you guys a lot of vocabulary, and we'll do a lot of it in class. Just because drawing the graphs will be difficult for your notes. So we have some vocabulary to go through. The first one is the x-axis. And the x-axis is the horizontal line on a grid. The next one is the y-axis. And the y-axis is the vertical line on a grid. So let me draw an example for you. In 5th grade you probably learned of it just in one section, but now that you're dealing with negative and positive numbers, it will be extend down and left and right. So this will be the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. This spot where they meet is always known as 0, the number 0, and it's also known as the origin. So sometimes they'll talk about the origin. 0, or the meeting point, is the origin. Okay? Also, there's something that we talk about. I'll talk about the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate is the value that is written first in an ordered pair. And then you have the y-coordinate. And the y-coordinate is the value that is written second in an ordered pair. And then an ordered pair is a pair of numbers that gives the coordinates of a point on a grid. So for example, it may look like -5 and 2. The -5 would be the x number, and 2 would be the y number. One more thing I want to bring in before I end this video for you guys is, because you haven't done most of you guys haven't done graphing with it going left to right and completely up and down, is you need to pay attention to some of these things. So if the number is in this section, these are positive numbers on the x-axis, and this is positive numbers on the y-axis. And so this is positive also. And positive numbers this way. But if you're dealing with negative numbers, it would be right here, or right here, or right here. And I'll explain that more in detail on Monday. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.